Have you ever wondered why so many new traders in the UK lose money? Not because of bad strategies, but because they picked the wrong broker. A platform with hidden spreads, slow execution, or no FCA license can quietly drain your profits every single day without you even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 most trusted brokers in the UK for 2025. They're fully FCA regulated, offer transparent fees, and deliver a trading experience that gives you an edge. And stick around, because I'll also share a simple trick that could save you hundreds of pounds a year just by switching to the right platform. The common mistake most beginners make. Many beginners choose a broker based on flashy ads, social media hype, or a sleek-looking app. But here's the truth. Unless your broker is regulated by the FCA, your money isn't safe. If you're using an offshore platform, your account could be frozen without warning, withdrawals could be blocked, and in case of bankruptcy, there's no safety net. If you're living in the UK or trading under a UK address, these are the 3 brokers you need to seriously consider before making your next trade. Broker hash 1. IG Group IG is one of the oldest and most reputable brokers in the UK, founded back in 1974. It's fully regulated by the FCA and offers a powerful proprietary platform that supports over 17,000 markets, including Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and crypto. Their EUR GBP spread starts from just 0.6 pips, and they offer unlimited demo accounts, a sleek mobile app, and excellent customer support. A friend of mine who trades UK stocks like Rolls-Royce and BP swears by IG's lightning-fast execution and says it's one of the few platforms where he feels fully in control of every trade. Broker hash 2. CMC Markets. Headquartered in London and FCA authorized for over 30 years, CMC Markets is perfect if you value flexibility and powerful charting tools. Their next-generation platform is intuitive, packed with technical indicators, and suits both beginners and advanced traders. EUR USD spreads can drop as low as 0.5 pips, and you can trade not just Forex but also indices, CFDs on stocks, and more. Their UK-based customer service is a huge plus for domestic traders looking for real support without waiting on overseas hotlines. Broker hash 3. Pepperstone UK. If you're a scalper, high-frequency trader, or EA, expert advisor user, Pepperstone UK is built for you. They're FCA licensed, and their Razor account offers ultra-low spreads, just 0.1 pips on EUR USD, plus a flat commission around £3.50 per lot. You can trade on MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, and the platform is highly optimized for speed and precision. Many UK traders combine Pepperstone with private VPS hosting to eliminate slippage and maximize trade execution. Just note, it's more suitable for experienced traders who already have some strategy in place. How to choose the right broker for you? Ask yourself, how long do you usually hold trades? Do you trade a few times a week or several times a day? Do you prioritize rock-solid regulation or the lowest possible fees? If you want stability, reputation, and full trading tools, IG is the safe bet. If you love advanced charting and a broad asset range, CMC Markets is for you. If you're into scalping or automation, Pepperstone UK is the optimal choice. Choosing the right broker doesn't just make you a more efficient trader. It gives you peace of mind, protects your capital, and keeps you away from shady platforms with hidden fees and withdrawal issues. Because in trading, it's not about who moves fastest, it's about who stays in the game longest. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment below. Which broker do you want me to review next? I'll make a deep dive video just for you.